the legal limit to drive in the state of Iowa is .08. You are .202. You're almost 3 times the legal limit.
God damn!
All right. At this time, being placed under arrest for OWI.
On September 21st, 2025, officers with the Ankeny Police Department responded to a call from a gas station employee who reported that a woman had arrived clearly intoxicated and was about to drive away.
Hello. How are you doing tonight?
I'm good.
So, the reason I'm here, my name's Officer Mickey with the Ankeny Police. So somebody was a little concerned about you. Said you may be intoxicated, okay?
Yes.
And that this is your car. That you look like you were trying to drive away in.
I'm not driving away in that car personally.
Who's driving then? Yeah. Okay.
No, I'm not. Me personally, I'm not.
Who's driving it then?
One of my friends is supposed to.
Right. How'd you get here?
My friend.
Where's your friend at?
That is a very good question.
Because I got some people saying that they watched you come here, which are in the store yelling and screaming. Okay?
Yes.
So what's going on then?
Okay.
Where were you at before you came to this quick start?
My mama's house.
Okay. Where's that at? Okay. What were you doing there?
I was... Okay, it's hard to explain, honestly, because it's like I'm mentally not well.
Okay. I see you got a wristband. Was that from a bar?
Yes, it is, but I went in there and that was before I went to my mama's house.
What bar was it?
I can't even tell you, to be honest.
You don't know what bar you were at?
It was just a call to make sure I was okay. It was just a call.
Hey. Did you see the lady get out of her red car? Or did you see her driving it?
I see her get out of the driver's seat, yeah.
Got out of the driver's seat? Okay. He saw her get out of the driver's seat.
Which the guy with the beard?
Yeah.
He said he saw her pull up and get out of the driver's seat.
He saw her get out of the driver's seat.
Everybody's the same, so I'm asking.
I'm struggling with.
Take it out.
We're at that bar that you don't remember the name of. How much did you have to drink?
Like one drink.
One drink? What did you have for your one drink? Like a beer, wine, whiskey, vodka. That's what I'm asking.
A mixed drink, I guess. I don't know how to exactly.
Yeah, like a rum and coke or something like that.
Yeah.
So just one of those.
Yeah.
And then you went to your mom's place.
No, I actually, so what exactly happened was I was outside of the bar.
Okay.
Waiting for a Band-Aid.
Alright, so you and your friend are looking for a Band-Aid?
It don't even matter, bro.
Why doesn't it matter?
Cause
Why doesn't it matter?
Cause it don't matter. I ain't dumb. I know exactly how this shit works. So you do whatever you want me to do. I'm not talking. However you want me to cooperate, I will do exactly what y'all want me to do. I'm not saying nothing else. I'm not doing nothing else. I'm not resisting. I'm not doing nothing more, doing nothing less.
So if you live in a car, why are you down here?
What the f*** you mean? What?
What are you doing down this way?
Hello, it's Ankeny. What? You expect me to live in Elkhart my whole life with no... I'm confused on what the question is, I guess.
You said you were at your mom's house.
Yeah, I'm at my mama's. That's where I live. Everything like that. She knows my history. She knows my past. She knows everything that involves with me. It's just hard on her So what do you guys have now?
I'm asking what your name is.
No, not you. Them.
What's have a sidebar
Yeah.
conversation.
What's your name?
Emma
Emma what?
Bushman.
Can you spell that? You're okay.
Yeah.
Have a seat. You're good.
Perfect.
I was just asking where's your address? What?
Freaks the lead in there.
Oh. Okay. All right, Emma. I'm gonna be real forward with you, okay? Because I like honesty, and I'm gonna be honest with you.
Hold on then.
You're okay. Hey, take a breath. Look at me, Emma. Look at me, Emma. Okay. So you've clearly had more than one beverage. I can smell it in your breath. Okay. Do you want to try and tell us again how many you've had?
No, I don't know.
Okay. Okay, let's just take a walk over here, okay? I'm not going to handcuff you. I'm just going to walk with you. Will you walk with me? Emma.
I don't give a fuck. I don't give a fuck. Please, just arrest me.
Let's just walk over here.
No.
Come on, walk.
Let's just walk. Come on,
You
Emma.
answer. Go ahead. Come on. You're fine.
Whoa. You all right? Okay. Just walk over here. I don't want your phone to fall out. Can I grab that for you?
I don't know where it's at.
It's right there.
Oh,
I
okay,
just don't want that to fall out for you, okay? Right here. I got you.
I ain't took me, Joe.
All right, Emma. We've got multiple people saying you're driving. Okay.
I don't give a f.
So, would you be willing to do a field sobriety test?
Yeah, I mean, I don't get her.
Okay.
I mean, I already can't see straight.
Why can't you see straight?
Because I've been crying. Okay, hold on.
All right.
Alright.
Do you have any medical issues? Do you have any history of a head injury, allergies?
No.
No. Do you have contacts in?
No.
All right. Have you taken any drugs tonight?
No.
Have you smoked anything tonight?
No.
Nothing. All right. So you have nothing wrong with your eyes?
Mm-mm.
Okay. All right. The first test is all you're gonna do is follow my finger. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Keep your head still. Keep your hands down by your side. All right. Follow my finger with just your eyes. Do not move your head. Understand? Keep your hands down by your side.
My bad. Sorry.
Alright. Do you feel comfortable walking in your shoes? Or do you want to take them off?
Can I take them off?
Yep, absolutely. You can go to take them off.
Yeah.
I mean, they look good, but I'm sure they hurt.
Yeah, they do. Yeah, they do it just a little bit.
Alright, I'm going to have you come over to this line right here. Right on this. Perfect. Alright, I'm going to have to put your right foot on the line. Put your left foot in front of your right foot, heel to toe.
Ow.
Okay.
Alright, put your hands down by your side. Alright, stay in this position and tell you to begin, okay? Alright. So,
God damn. I'm sorry, my toes hurt like a bitch.
okay. Do you have any issues with your legs, hips, knees, anything like that?
I have issues with my hips. Chiropractor, but I don't know exactly what she'll take.
Okay. Does it? Do you have issues walking?
Kinda, a little bit. Like I limp with my right.
Okay.
So like I said, I don't know what you give and take from that. So it's
Okay. So you have.
know.
Okay. All right.
okay. So on the night step you turn. It doesn't matter which step you're on, or it doesn't matter which step you're on when you turn. Does that make sense?
So you're gonna take 9 heel to toe steps out.
Okay. Okay.
Make a turn with a series of small steps and 9 heel to toe steps back. Okay.
Okay.
So return to the starting position like I had you. Hands down by your side. You may begin. Just continue with the test, as I explained it.
I'm gonna do an extra one, okay? God damn it! Okay, hold on. God damn it! God damn it! You know what? At this point, I lost count. I'm not even gonna lie.
Okay, that's it. All right, the last test
I lost
is the one leg stand. I'm gonna have you put your feet together, arms down by your side.
Okay.
Stay in this position till you begin. When I tell you to begin, you're gonna lift 1 foot off the ground.
Okay.
I don't care if it's right or left. You're gonna hold it six inches off the ground, toes pointed out. You're gonna look down at your foot, and you're gonna count out loud. 1001, 1002, 1003, and so on until I tell you to stop. Keep your arms down by your side the whole time. All right, which foot are you gonna lift off the ground?
My
Your right foot?
my right foot. I was gonna say left.
All right.
What the fuck? My bad.
You may begin.
1001, 1002, 1003, 1004, 1005, 1006, 1007, 1008, 1009, 1100, 101, 102, 102.
All right, you can put your foot back down. All right, at this time, I'm going to offer you a preliminary breath test. Okay?
Okay.
All you're going to have to do is blow in it, and it's going to tell us your breath alcohol content.
Okay.
All right?
Oh, shit.
All right. Go ahead, blow in it.
Could I see it possibly? No, this?
It's 202. So,
I don't know what that means, but okay.
so the legal limit to drive in the state of Iowa is .08. You are
Okay.
.202. You're almost 3 times the legal limit.
God damn!
All right. At this time, you're being placed under arrest for OWI.
Okay. I ain't gonna, read this.
What was that?
Do I get an answer? Do I get to ask some questions before?
You want to ask questions?
Yeah.
What questions do you have?
Just about like phone numbers and that kind of stuff.
So, I'll tell you what's going to happen. We're going to go down to Polk County Jail. We're going to do some more paperwork, some more processing there. At that time, you're going to be able to make phone calls.
Okay.
Do you have... We have your cell phone with us, so you'll be able to use that to make calls down there, okay?
Okay.
Alrighty, so we're going to head back. Alright, remember, have you sit back.
Ow, fuck. God
Yeah,
damn.
don't sit back on your hands, it's going to hurt.
I figured that
There we
one
go.
out real quick.
Alrighty.
You can ask her if I can move it over there, or what?
I think probably the safer option is to
Yeah.
have the medical, you know.
So her phone's that. I can ask if she wants her purse, so we can get her ID.
Yeah.
Do you want your purse?
Preferably, please.
Okay.
Yeah, I'll get it for you. Okay.
your purse?
Huh?
Your ID in your purse?
I'm not 100%. I know it's in my car for sure. I'm just not 100% sure if it's in my purse or not. I don't know if that makes sense. Then.
No, that makes perfect sense. We're going to see if we can grab that for you.
Okay.
The woman was then transported to the Polk County Jail, where she was booked and charged with operating while under the influence, first offense, and probation violation. She was found guilty on both charges. If you enjoy the content we produce, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.